Can hear the birds. What time is it now? 4 o'clock. Evening. I guess it's the evening song.
Yeah, 4:10.
Yeah, evening song by the birds. Time for the birds to go to back to the trees to roost, but the days are getting longer now. So sunset is now a little bit later at about 5 p.m. There are some people staying here. You can stay here. There are rooms available to rent for several days and nights, or just one night if you are popping by. So lots of snowdrops and all the spring flowers, the early spring flowers coming up.